Rolling, rolling, rolling. Alright. Hey, YouTubers. No, anyway. Look, this is a review for the Dalton knife, the Dalton Vegas OTF, and the Lightning OTF. We got a verse off. The Dalton or the Lightning. Dalton or Lightning. Which one's it gonna be, y'all? And the best of the knives, we got the best of the trees. Look at there, Mr. Nice Guy. As you can see here, wow, it's got a lot of click on the Dalton. Well, not as much on the Lightning. Cock it back. See that? Look at this. Lightning. Trigger. You don't have to cut. Lightning. You tell me.